Welcome to Vietnam, where tradition breathes through every woven thread and carved bamboo strip. Today, we take you behind the scenes to a centuries-old craft still alive in the heart of a quiet, northern village. The art of hand-making fans at Tonkin Handicraft. In this small village, fan-making is not just a job, it's a heritage passed down through generations. Every folding fan carries the soul of the artisan and the spirit of the land. The process begins with choosing the right bamboo, flexible, lightweight yet strong. Each stick is hand-cut, sun-dried, then steamed and split with precision. This will form the frame of the fan. With deft hands, the artisans carve the bamboo into slender ribs. Every edge is polished smooth to create a frame that's not only functional but also beautiful. Next comes the soul of the fan. At Tonkin Handicraft, we use traditional Vietnamese motifs, sometimes hand-painted, other times printed using eco-friendly inks. Fans nowadays are customized and normally used for events, ceremonies, parties, parades, and special occasions. The paper or fabric is carefully glued to the ribs and folded meticulously. This step requires patience and precision. One wrong fold and the fan loses its elegance. A tassel is added, and sometimes even a custom engraving, giving each fan its final personal touch. At Tonkin Handicraft, we create fans not just as gifts, but as living art. From bamboo groves to your hands, this is the journey of a Vietnamese fan. Rooted in tradition, reimagined with care. This is Tonkin Handicraft.